The air buzzes with anticipation. A lone queen wasp, having survived the harsh winter, emerges from her slumber. She is a formidable creature, larger than her subjects and driven by an ancient instinct. Her mission: to establish a new colony. She carefully selects a suitable location, often a sheltered spot in a tree or underground. Then she begins her most important task: laying eggs. Each tiny, pearly white egg is deposited into a hexagonal cell within the nest. The queen meticulously crafts these cells from chewed wood pulp, creating a honeycomb structure of remarkable strength and efficiency. These eggs represent the future of her colony, the first generation of workers who will build and protect their shared home. The queen tends to her brood with great care. She knows that the survival of her colony depends on these developing young. As the days grow longer and warmer, the eggs begin to hatch, revealing a new generation of wasps ready to take their place in the world. The queen's legacy has begun. Within the confines of the nest, a remarkable transformation takes place. The tiny eggs, carefully placed by the queen, begin to hatch. Out emerge the larvae, small grub-like creatures with insatiable appetites. They are completely dependent on the adult wasps for their survival. Worker wasps, the queen's first offspring, tirelessly tend to the larvae. They bring them chewed-up insects, a protein-rich diet essential for their growth. The larvae, in turn, reward their caregivers with a sweet secretion, a mutually beneficial exchange that ensures the colony's survival. The larvae grow rapidly, shedding their skin several times as they increase in size. The nest, once a small cluster of cells, expands to accommodate the growing population. The air hums with activity as the workers tirelessly tend to their young charges, ensuring the continuation of the colony. The larval stage, a time of constant feeding and growth, eventually comes to an end. The larvae, now plump and ready for their next transformation, spin silken cocoons around themselves. They retreat within these protective casings, entering the pupal stage, a period of remarkable change. Inside the cocoon, a metamorphosis of astounding complexity unfolds. The larval body breaks down, reorganized into the form of an adult wasp. Legs, wings, antennae, all develop within the safety of the cocoon. This transformation, a marvel of the natural world, takes about 2 weeks to complete. Finally, the moment arrives. The adult wasp emerges from its cocoon, its body still soft and pale. It takes some time for the wasp to harden and darken, reaching its full adult coloration. The newly emerged wasp joins the ranks of the colony, ready to contribute to the success of the hive. Section 4. Busy workers and brave guardians. The adult wasps, each with their designated roles, work tirelessly to maintain the hive. The workers, the most numerous members of the colony, are responsible for foraging for food, caring for the larvae, and expanding and defending the nest. Their days are filled with ceaseless activity as they ensure the smooth running of their intricate society. Some wasps are tasked with the dangerous job of defending the colony. These brave individuals patrol the area surrounding the nest, ever vigilant for threats. Equipped with potent stingers, they do not hesitate to defend their home against intruders, be it a hungry bird or a curious human. At the heart of the hive lies the queen, the matriarch of the colony. Her primary role is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. Surrounded by her loyal subjects, she is the focal point of this bustling community, her presence essential for the survival of the hive. Section 5. A season's end. The cycle continues. As summer wanes and the days grow shorter, the life cycle of the wasp colony reaches its natural conclusion. The queen, her energy depleted after a long season of egg-laying, ceases to produce new offspring. The workers, their tasks diminishing with the dwindling food supply, gradually succumb to the cold. The males, their purpose fulfilled, die off shortly after mating with the new queens. These newly mated queens, carrying the hopes of the colony's future, seek out sheltered spots to hibernate, their bodies filled with the promise of new life. The cycle, begun by their mother in the spring, is set to begin anew. The old nest, now abandoned and silent, stands as a testament to the industriousness of its former inhabitants. Though the life cycle of a single wasp is short, the colony lives on, ensuring the continuation of these fascinating and vital creatures.